big enough. I don't know how old I was, but I wasn't very old. Not over 7, 8 years. Daddy would go, we had to have wood in the fireplace. And he'd go to the woods and cut down trees. He'd hook the swingler tree to the mule and the lock chain. And I'd take the lock chain and drive the mule to where he was cutting wood. And he would fasten that chain around them logs. And I'd drive the mule to the wood pile and unhook the chain and go back to where he was, where he cut some more. And I'd drag it up to the wood pile, and then when we got it dug up, I had to have him pull a cross-cut saw and saw it all up.